Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. It's actually just like a weekend vlog, so I'm kind of excited to do it. I just posted my engagement video. I'll post it or link it down below so you can check it out, but I'm excited. Oh, I'm Mariah, if you don't know me. Nice to meet you. And I just got off work. That's why I'm wearing like a little blouse and some jeans. It's Friday, so we just like chill on Fridays. I normally wear like a sweatshirt, but I wore a hoodie yesterday because I had to get a fill-in done right here. But I'm just so excited to be home on the weekend. We've been traveling for the last 3.5 weeks, honestly, from Christmas to spending time with my family in North Carolina for 2 weeks. And right when we got back, my friend E was in town, so we've been on the go since we left. And it's just nice to settle in and like be home, our little home. But I don't know what we're doing tonight, to be honest. Our Christmas tree and our Christmas vacation, our Christmas decorations are all still up. And this tree is hurting. It's hurting. Like it's like sagging. It's okay. But we need to take that down. I don't know, I just want to chill and have a good weekend, so thanks for stopping by. Ryan to get home. I think he went to go run errands. I think he got off early. So we'll be back later. We'll probably like make dinner and chill. But I'm so glad you guys stopped by. Makes me very happy. So let me get out of these work clothes and then I'll catch you back in a few.
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Saturday. I hope you guys are having a good start to your weekend or whenever you're watching this. But I just like had a slow morning, kind of chilled. Ryan went to go get our oil changes, which is really sweet. And then I just like cleaned up the kitchen and showered and got dressed for the day. And obviously made breakfast. But now I'm kind of rushing because, like always, I lose track of time. But I'm about to, can you see me? Eek, this lighting. Go get new tires. So, mine's bald, and then the left one is not hanging on. It's flat. So let's go do that, and then I think we're gonna go run some errands maybe afterwards. And yeah, just see where the day takes us. I kind of want a coffee because I'm kind of groggy. I laid in bed too long, but other than that, I'm having a good day, and I hope you are. So I don't have a mount, so if this eats shit, just go with me. I have all this shit in my car because Ryan and I moved in together and we have a storage unit, but the rest of the stuff is still in here from like North Carolina and stuff. So I need to go get that taken care of today, which Ryan's actually at the storage unit right now, but he's just like switching out his stuff because he DJs on the weekends, so he's just getting like his equipment and stuff. But I'm about to be here for 2 hours, so I brought my Kindle because I just bought a new book. I'm kind of excited to read it. I've been looking into reading more. Like every time I either turn on the TV or I get on my phone, I'm choosing to read something instead. You feel me? Okay, I'm about to drive. This is about to be dangerous, so I'll see you when I get there. Oh god, that dude just scared the shit out of me. Okay. Hi. So it's a little later in the night and we had dinner and we're just catching up on some things that we have to do, like adult things. Let me just explain. Insurance, phone bill, oil change, tires, honestly all the things that are boring. So we just wanted to like take some time and chill, but Ryan went to go run an errand. He's really helping this guy unpack after he was DJing because he gave all his DJ equipment to him, so he went to make sure everything was okay. And when he gets back, I think we're gonna watch, oh excuse me, I think we're gonna watch Harry Potter. We're watching the whole series over. I think we're on movie number 5. So I kind of want some dessert or like a beer, but I don't know which one. And I feel like both. Like if Ryan's like, you want to get dessert, I'm like, yeah. But then if he's like, are we grabbing a drink, I can't do both. I don't know why. It doesn't taste, the palate, it doesn't taste good. But I thought I'd just catch you up on the day and stuff. And I think we're just gonna chill the rest of the night and then watch a movie, but I'll catch up with you tomorrow. So we're at our storage unit because, like I said, Ryan moved in and this is where he puts his stuff. But we had to undo our Christmas stuff, which you saw last night. So we're just here waiting on a couple things to put in the storage unit. But literally, like, this is crazy. Like, look at this. Like, like in a good way, I guess. But you know, so we're just gonna get a couple things, and then go get a coffee and then go to the car.